All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. Looking at that wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Looks really good. You still have some tread left here on the tires. A couple tiny little scuffs there. Overall, that flare looks nice. That area looks good. See a small chip there. That graphic looks good. Light looks nice. Mirror's clean. That A-pillar looks good. You're gonna have typical little swirls from everyday washing. I do see a scratch there, and then you can see some little scuffs. Looks like tree branches that kind of made their way down the side. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that or not. They're all really subtle. Got a chip down there. Like I said, a little scratch here. You're gonna have chips on the edge of the hinges, very minor. Little swirls and little scratches on that door. That pillar looks nice. Lower section looks good. You do have PPF here protecting it, but you do have rock impacts. The little scratches kind of continue down the body. They're all pretty subtle though. Looking at that wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Tread looks okay there. Got the rockers down there, that looks good. That light looks nice, got the gloss black grille. On the edge of the hood, you're gonna see some of this like kind of bubbling in the paint. I don't know if that's corrosion. I see it right here as well. That front bumper looks nice. Overall in great condition. That light looks good. Scanning the hood here. A couple little swirls. See some of that in there. But overall, looks really nice. That fender looks good. That wheel looks nice. You can see the light here. That looks cool. That mirror looks good. Here on the door, a couple small chips every once in a while. Of course, you're gonna have the little chips on the sides right there. Little scuffs here. You can see these little scratches every once in a while. Plastic looks nice. Looking at that wheel, I don't see any curb rash. That light looks good. You're gonna have little rock impacts here. Overall, that back bumper looks good. And then in the bed, you're gonna have the chips and scratches, little things like that. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker and it smells really good in here. Got the manual crank windows, a couple little scuffs here and there. Got the all-weather mats. That bolster looks good. Seat's nice and clean. Upper section looks good. That jamb looks nice. Steering wheel looks good. All that looks nice. The inside of this is really, really clean. Looks good. Here on the back left door panel, that looks amazing. Floor mats look good. Bottom is really nice. I do see a couple markings here, potential stains. Seat back looks good. That bolster looks nice. Tiny little frayed spot right here. But looking at the rest of that seat, looks good. That side of the console looks nice. That looks good. A couple little scuffs here and there. That handle looks good. Upper side of that dash looks nice. Overall, that panel's clean. A couple small stains right here. Little marking here on the seat. Seat backs look good. Got the air vents. That's clean. This side looks really good. Here in the engine bay, all of this looks really nice. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. It's got the Eco Diesel in it. 27,286 miles on it. That steering wheel's perfectly straight. It doesn't have any type of shimmy. You're gonna hear some road noise with these tires. Little vibrations because of them. Suspension is really nice. I'm gonna hit the brakes kind of hard here. Stops really well. Steering wheel doesn't shake or shimmy when you apply the brakes. Got a good turning radius there. Love that Eco Diesel. Some of that vibration you hear is just because of the tires. Drives like a Jeep. Really, really nice. No complaints. Smells great in here.